Okay, so in front of me here, I have 4 grade 2 students who are all going to explain to us how to use the LiveScribe pen and explain some of the different ways that we use the LiveScribe pen. So I'm going to start here with these 2 that are going to explain how the LiveScribe pen actually works.
So first you click this button and you turn it on.
Okay.
And it says LiveScribe. And it says starting. Then it says the person who owns it. And then the time. And then when it says the time, you're ready to record. And to record, you click the little circle. And you hear a little noise.
Then you draw a dot big enough to double tap on it after you're done. Then you can write something or draw something. So like say I wanted to write and draw about a table. So I draw a table. Then you could write about it or
Write
say
table.
yeah,
Okay.
or something.
Okay. And as you're writing, what else could you do?
So when you're writing, you can write it like, if you write table, you could also say table, like so if you're writing a story and little kids wanted to read it, but if they can't really read a word, you could also read it at the same time so they know what word it is.
Okay. Now
so
let's
they
say
learn new words.
Okay, now let's say that I want to listen back to this. What do I have to do?
First you have to click
Stop. And you hear a little noise, and sometimes you have to press it lots.
There you go.
and then you double click.
Okay. Sometimes it's temperamental as we're trying to record the video, right? Okay, so we're actually able to then listen back to exactly what you were saying as you were saying it.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I'm wondering, how do we actually use this in the classroom? What's one way that you use the LiveScribe pen in the classroom?
We record our reading goals.
Okay, so what would be an example of one of the reading goals?
Using expression, using fluency.
Okay, and so what's the benefit then of actually recording it? Like by recording it, how does that help us?
By if you listen to it and then you'll know your goals and then you work on your goals to get better at it.
Okay, and what's another way that you use the LiveScribe pen in your classroom?
You can use it for like guided reading. You can use it for like, say, there was a book in front of you and you had to read it and you wanted to record it on something.
Okay.
You can record it, what you're reading, and then you can play it back.
Okay, so what is then the benefit of using the LiveScribe pen for guided reading?
If you wanted to read it and you didn't, and you were just reading it,
Yeah.
you could play it back on the LiveScribe pen, and it would record what you said.
Okay, and how does that help you?
It can help you by like, you can record it, and then you can see what your goals can be and everything.
Okay, so you mean you can set some new goals by hearing
Yeah.
it? What else do you think?
Then if you know what your goals are, then you can go back and read it again. Then you can read it even better.
Okay, so then does the LiveScribe pen help us improve?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything else that we use the LiveScribe pen for?
We can use it for like writing procedures about it and how to use it, and you can record just in case people don't know the actual word, so you can say it and they know which word it is.
Okay. And is there anything else that we've used the LiveScribe pen for? Yes?
We have these little stickers where you can write something down with just like a regular marker, and you can put the sticker beside it, then you can record it with that.
Okay.
And then if you double tap on the sticker, you can hear it.
And what would be the benefit of that?
So like we have one.
Yes?
We did it for
We did it earlier, didn't we? Wasn't it for our classroom rules?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so what was then the goal of doing the stickers for the classroom rules?
It's like the live scribe pen, except it's just a sticker.
Okay, but why would we need to listen back to our classroom rules? Like, why?
If you wouldn't know the words, then you would know them just by double tapping, then you'd hear them.
Okay, thank you. So, do we enjoy using the live scribe pen?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, thank you very much for helping us explain the live scribe pen.